down.
Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Ahi. So we're on the way. And it's a great kickoff here from Ahuriri. Unfortunately, knocked on there by Thomas. Alexander fakes the middle, and the ball's bounced nicely here for Forster, who puts a little kick in, and it's bounced trickily here. So Ahuriri able to cover this through, and they're chasing back. Lumley bounces the balls, bounced terribly for him, and that's an early try there for Ahuriri through their number 14. Great work. Gives it Tarata. Raybart with a nice play here to Drongle. He's lost his footing, but he's given a nice pop pass here to Arnold. And Ahuriri off their feet, hands in the ruck.
Well, Ahuriri so far, Thomas, he's
yes.
been pretty influential in the game. And I've always Liam van der Hayden for Kirikiriroa.
Swan feeds the ball, and again Ahuriri shoved the scrum excellently, and we will see possession to them. Jury links up here with his outside back there, O'Rourke, I believe. And his return play to the captain, Prouting. But it's lost at the ruck, so Kirikiriroa have been able to steal that ball back. It's messy, but they tried to hold the player in the air. And I don't know if the referee's going to play advantage. No, it's a penalty, and Swan's gone early. He's actually tackled early. That should be 10 in the bin for Ahuriri. It's a professional foul, and he does go to the pocket. They're loaded to the front here, but they might strike the middle, and that's what they do. They get it to Newman. So set piece executed nicely for Kirikiriroa. They have got some forward momentum, but they did break away there, so the ball has gone to ground as Swan. He goes to Drongo, and there's a back door here for Rata. He links up with Vuetu, who's broken several tackles. Rima Mita to the try line here. Kirikiriroa off to Anderson. He's very close. Just need to settle Kirikiriroa off to the forwards here. I think that's Van der Hayden. And he's over.
Straight on the ball, and with the turnover, Cole Northcott with the call, and this might not be out here.
Vueti's done an excellent job to keep that in. So Lumley goes out to Anderson. He looks to kick, but fakes it out to Drongle. So he links up with Gruen, who goes on the outside. He tries to give him a fend, and he does well to break free here. He's still alive here. Dunlop, he carries as well, breaks the first tackle, and he goes to ground. Swan off the route. That's a difficult pass, but they're offside. And Ahuriri, they didn't have numbers, but Swan's finally broken over the advantage line. And they might go to work here, the forwards for Kirikiriroa. Boarding phases, Ralph. Just needs to hold the ball. They've got numbers on the blind side here, Kirikiriroa. And Swan sees that. He goes to Rata. Drum goal. Try. Going to work here. They return back to the blind side, Ahuriri. Another carry here through Prouting. And the referee does have the arm out, I believe. So they want to make the most of this advantage. Again to the blind side, and a kore painga. It's a switch play. They go towards the back through Dunlop. Nice line-out work there from him. Van der Hayden, the big man with the long pass to Waitohana, who's just got on the field, Whānau. He links up here with Raybart, and Raybart is going to get in.
First touch of the ball.
They've had success at line-out time, and they go to the middle. It's great again. They look to more, in fact, Whānau. So Ahuriri, they're in the box set here. They are pushing their way towards Te Piro. But Kirikiriroa have... They're going really quick here, Ahuriri. They might make it all the way to the try line. They're not far out now, Whānau. It's stored here, but referee's got his arm out. It might be a try. It is a try. I'm picking Swan if they do decide to go up the back. No, it is a more, and they have gone forward initially, but referee's called it in, so they can go. They're going forward here, Kirikiriroa. They're going to get it. It's a try.
Very good try. Good persistence at the Rārangi.
Want to pick up the pace here, and they do win possession at Te Rāranga. They're going forward here. It is a more drive from Ahuriri. Can they fight towards the try line? It's starting to break away here. It is collapsed, but it is over. But the referee's cord held up. And they are going to the more, and it is going forward. So Ahuriri working hard here. They've got momentum, Ahuriri. I think they're going to get there, Zach, and it's a penalty try. Potentially take the lead. It's only kotahi pero in this fixture. It's messy there at Te Rārangi, but Ahuriri do have possession. And they need to hold on to it as their forwards pick and go here. Trouting again. Fighting for every inch. Ahuriri on picking there, wanting to play for a penalty. Is that a more? The referee lets it play. Ahuriri Lapa, pick and go. He's knocked it on. And that's the game.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Fuck, I don't know, and you know.